Yeah, thank you so much. So, good evening, konbanwa, everyone. So, we have right now two people joining us, but we have a few message. But anyway, we will still start because, of course, we will try to follow. Since we're talking about Japan, we will try to follow Japanese time. And I'm expecting a few more people to join later. And yung mga hindi maka-join, again, this presentation is recorded, which we will be posting at our YouTube page of Ryugaku Marketing, and it will be shared at our Facebook page. Okay, so I'll do a quick discussion and welcome to our joiners here. Yeah, kapag mayroong mga pumasok mamaya, paki-admit na lang, pa-assist na lang ako, ha?
Yes po, noted.
All right, thank you so much. So good evening, everyone. I'll go straight to the point of this presentation. My name is Angelo, and I am the Managing Director and owner of Ryugaku Marketing and Anicon Incorporated or Anicon Group of Companies. So later, I'll do a brief discussion on who Ryugaku is and who our company is, on how we came up with this specific program, the Study Plus Work Pathways Going to Japan. In short, this program has been existing since 2019. Matagal na siya nag-exist. But this time, we are repackaging it as part of our service and our expertise, and we'll explain to you guys on how we came up with this program and how important it is that you can work with Ryugaku regarding this opportunity going to Japan. So for the meantime, let me turn off my video. Ayan, para mas mabilis lang ang ating connection. So again, this is Angelo of Ryugaku Marketing. I am joined by Yean, who's handling the account sales at Ryugaku. So she'll be overseeing the whole presentation. Hi, Ye. Gandang gabi.
Hello guys, good afternoon, good evening.
Good evening na. Okay, thank you. All right, let me present my slide now. Ano ba to? Okay. There you go. So let's briefly discuss. I have a very quick presentation here. There's only 12 slides. So after this, kung meron mga magtatanong, I'll check later sa ating YouTube kung may mga magme-message kasi naka-live din ako sa Anicon. I'll try to answer them and possible FAQs. And to our joiners here, kanina ka-chat ko tong si Sir sa page ng Ryugaku. Naalala ko siya yung meron ng offer ng job sa Japan. So baka makita niya to as another opportunity to do that. Okay, but we'll see kasi ibang scenario naman yan. Anyway, what is the program? The Study Plus Work Pathway in Japan. So Study and Work Pathways is a guided program that increases chance of success of applicants in this program. It is a specially created program that connects all opportunities to work in Japan via education or learning of Nihongo in this case. As mentioned kanina, sa mga nag-inquire sa ating Facebook page and sa ating mga social media accounts, this specific program is also known as the Tokutei Gino or the SSW program. So SSW has existed since 2019. Legit na nandiyan lang siya. However, bakit natin siya ina-adapt sa Ryugaku Marketing? Okay? Ina-adapt natin siya kasi there is a big gap right now. Malaki po ang pangangailangan ng Japan in terms of finding employees or individuals looking for work in Japan. Kasi sobrang daming trabaho up until now. If you guys are watching the news, makikita nyo, the Japanese Prime Minister, they even made a deal with India and Africa, which is, personally, I love Japan, but I'm not a fan of sending nationalities who do not know how to assimilate or who does not know civic sense. So I'm not a fan of those deals, but I guess I get where Japan is coming from kasi there is really a need of people or workers going to Japan. However, hindi siya napupunan ng Pilipino. Bakit? Kasi ang problema ng Pilipino, number one, we don't have enough patience. Gusto natin kumita kaagad ng pera. Alright? Pangalawa, we don't know how to do it. Marami pong mga manpower agency naman na accredited ng DMW, which is very important, guys. The agency that we are working with is accredited by DMW or Department of Migrant Workers to send Filipinos through this visa. Okay? Nagkakaroon lang po talaga ng problem kasi unang-una, where do they find the qualified right kind of people? Okay? I will try to be, how do I say this? Try to find the right words on how to qualify the right people para sa program na to. Kasi before, prior kaming pumasok, or although I've received this kind of program since years ago, yung mga uri ng taong pinapadala sa Japan somehow are underqualified or not the right kind of people you want staying abroad. Okay, this is not a mean of discrimination or whatsoever, but yet again, kapag nagpadala ka ng maling tao abroad, naaapektuhan yung ibang mga tao na pwede pa sanang lumabas. It creates a bad impression. You get what I mean? So, people doing illegal work, overstaying, going there without the right proper visas and papers. So yun yung nagiging problem. Hence, marami pa ring bakanting trabaho sa Japan na hindi napupunan kasi hindi pumapasok yung tamang tao or hindi nako-qualify yung tamang tao para mag-take ng program na yun. Right? So, ito yung program na ginawa natin with Ryugaku. Our idea is to bridge the gap. I'll show you guys on the next few slides. Right, so maybe you guys are asking, who the hell is Ryugaku Marketing? Excuse my French for using that term, but Ryugaku Marketing is Ryugaku is a marketing firm that specializes in education tourism. The term Ryugaku is actually a Japanese word that translates to study abroad. Okay, so study abroad talaga yung specialization natin, but we are able to adapt this program because this involves learning. Right, so kaya ang priority po natin when you go through the support of Ryugaku is you need to study the language first, but we will connect you with the right opportunities after. Again, Ryugaku is a marketing firm that specializes in education tourism. It is part of the Anicon Incorporated group of companies, which is also owned. Anicon, guys, is under my name. It's Angelo E. Concepcion. It's a tourism consultancy firm, which also involves our study abroad agencies, Anicon Study Abroad, and Dominate Travel and Tours. So right now, Ryugaku's product and services is we are handling the affiliate marketing programs for study abroad courses, the hybrid education center, kung saan nagfo-fall itong study and work pathway natin, under siya ng hybrid education center natin, and we also have study tour programs. So yan. We are a big company, so hindi kami manpower agency, just to be clear sa mga makakapanood at nakikinig ngayon. We are not a manpower agency, but we support different companies to bridge the gap para magkaroon ng tamang tao na pwede magkaroon ng opportunity abroad through learning first. Okay? There you go. Just showing some legalities that we have as Anicon Tourism Incorporated. We are registered under SEC. Pwede nyo kami i-check sa SEC po. Again, anyone can screenshot this. This will be uploaded again via YouTube and shared at our page. Under Anicon Tourism po tayo. And the name Ryugaku, of course, is owned by yours truly under DTI. As of now, registered din po separately si Ryugaku as a sole proprietor. But again, we are functioning under the umbrella of Anicon Incorporated. I own both companies, guys. So huwag kayo ma-confuse. Ang isipin nyo na lang, under one company lang po ito. Huwag malito. Okay, huwag malito. So legit po tayo. We are registered. We provide receipts. Whatever you need, you can always check us out. We have an office in Ortigas na we have testimonials from our students via our social media pages, YouTube ng Anicon, kompleto po tayo. Okay? Ayan. So, let's go now to the specific program information. Now, why study plus work in Japan? Again, this program, as mentioned kanina, is all about the Specified Skilled Worker SSW, or commonly known as a Tokutei Gino. It started 2019. I remember when they were trying to launch it, na sobrang labo pa at that time. I was working with a lot of Japanese businessmen. I met them a lot. Masakit ang liver ko back then kasi pagkatrabaho ng Japanese, they like to drink. That's how we do business. So we did consultations on how they can launch it in the Philippines. Malabo pa ang sistema noon until finally, I think, naging clear at formulated yung, what you call this, the specifics nung SSW around 2021. Matagal din bago na-launch. So I was part of the study committee nung nag-try sila mag-launch sa Philippines. We did try it with different kinds of people, although malabo siya, but there you go. It's been here since 2019. Matagal na siya. The idea of the Tokutei Gino ever since is to address severe labor shortages in key industries caused by its aging population and declining birth rate. For many, many years, matagal na po ang Japan, pababa ang population. aging population siya, meaning mas marami ang matanda kaysa sa bata. Hence, they need people. In short, noon meron tayong tinatawag guys na training visa. Ito yung pwede ka magtrabaho sa mga factories, bento making, pero ang contract mo noon madalas 3 years lang. This is the same concept. In-upgrade nila yung training visa to become the SSW visa or the Tokote Gino na from 3 years ka mag-work, magiging 5 years ang work mo na. And they expanded the coverage. Kung dati puro factories, right now they can expand it to different trade programs like caregiving. Not only factory workers, mas maganda na nga ngayon caregiving, ironworks, F&B sa hotel, mas professional na yung pangangailangan. So and then instead of 3 years lang, 5 years na po kayo pwede magstay sa Japan. Okay? So that's the concept of the Tokote Gino. Again, it's to address the labor shortages in Japan as of the moment. All right. And here is where Ryugaku comes in. For many years, nandyan yung program. Existing na siya, maayos na yung sistema niya, nakalatag na yung connected with the Japanese government. But the problem is finding qualified and willing individual to undergo the right process. The notion of people going to Japan, karamihan ng uri ng Pilipino back then, let's just say is usually underqualified. Yung tipong pinulungan mo na pero binigay mo yung kanang kamay mo pero gusto pang kunin yung kaliwang kamay mo. This is not a this is not a way to diss anyone, okay? But the point is again, qualified people, okay? So, hindi ka pwedeng, karamihan na nag-a-apply, gusto nagmamadali, gusto kumita lang kahit mag-shortcut, kahit mag-illegal. Yun ang nagiging problem. Kaya sa Japan, they're starting to look outside the Philippines right now, which is sad for us kasi kaya pa naman talaga natin. It's just that not many people sees na po pwede sa kanilang opportunity na to. Meanwhile, those educated individuals na nasa Pilipinas, they don't see that etong opportunity for the Tokote Gino is something that they can consider. Akala kasi nila pang factory worker lang to, pang easy money, but actually, this is a good long-term work investment that they can take. All right? So again, the challenge with the Tokote Gino right now is finding qualified individuals and how to undergo the right legal process. So Ryugaku, our idea is to bridge the gap. It's bridging or bridges the gap needed by doing the following. Number 1, qualify interested applicants. Hindi pwedeng lahat na may gusto o nagmamakaawa lang or whatever reason they have is tatanggapin po natin. We need to determine who are really qualified and medyo mag-aangat ng bandila ng Pilipinas when we send them there. We don't send people just because they want to, even if they can pay. We send people because our idea of our company for Anicon Group of Companies is to elevate the people or the Filipino people going abroad via proper education and to have them qualify more. Okay? So hindi po pwedeng nandun ka lang tapos kontento ka na. We need you guys to be competing. That's the idea. So we can create more opportunities in the future. Right, so we qualify interested applicants. We provide the necessary training. Okay, and once you get the necessary minimum certification in the Philippines, that is the time we connect you to the rightful DMW accredited manpower agencies that offer Tokote Gino program. So hindi na kayo mahihirapan na ano ba talagang agency ang accredited DMW. Kasi honestly, mahirap kausap si DMW. Kulang-kulang ang information. So doon kami papasok, will help you qualify them and to make sure na pag in-endorse namin kayo, sila nang bahala sa inyo, legal ang magiging proseso ninyo and you will get the best chance possible na ma-deploy as a work visa pagdating po sa Japan. Okay? So this is our role. So nakikita nyo ngayon to, ang tanong, ay pwede pa lang ako gumawa nito. Technically, pwedeng ikaw na yun. You may not need us. As long as you can do your right research, it's up to you. You can DIY. I will not stop you. But again, with Ryugaku, we make it easier for you and we ensure that you are on the right path. It's all up to you. Right? So ito yung magiging overall look ng inyong step-by-step process. Okay, so it's not easy na sige, apply kita, magiging work visa ka na sa Japan. No, not really. So this is where Ryugaku comes in, and this is where the education comes in, which is very, very important for long-term looking at your plans to Japan. So first step is you need to learn Nihongo. Okay? Learning Nihongo, it depends on you, but it will take usually 3 to 5 months. Full-time dapat. Okay? Pwede ka mag-part-time, but that it will be useless. Personally, I won't like it kasi o nagbayad ka sa amin, in-enroll ka namin, tapos naka-part-time ka, baka hindi mo masustain, hindi mo matapos na maaga, sayang yung in-enroll mo. What we want to make sure is if you enroll to us, we are able to endorse you to the rightful agencies and employer, and we deploy you properly. That's the idea. So you learn Nihongo in the Philippines, which will start, ang classes natin is September 15. You learn Nihongo from N5 to N4. Ang level ng Nihongo is JLPT N5 to N1, N5 being the lowest, N4 second to the lowest. So hanggang N4, kailangan mong ma-certify. Kaya nakalagay po sa second step natin, ikalawang baitang ay JLPT. JLPT means Japanese Language Proficiency Test. So once you study for 3 to 5 months, you get a JLPT level N4. Pag nakuha yung certification, you get a prometric exam. Prometric, parang ano lang yan, to make sure na alam mo yung ginagawa o ina-apply mong work. For example, kung ang magiging career path mo is to become a caregiver in Japan, dapat meron kang 1 year experience of caregiving, kahit compiled 1 year lang yan, then you take a prometric exam. Prometric, you will take this outside, hindi ito online. Usually, ina-announce yan. Minsan sa Ateneo ginagawa, iba-iba. We will help you out. Si Ryugaku ang magbabayad ng GLPT test and ng Prometric test. Etong dalawa, ang pinaka-importanting magkaroon ang estudyante. Hindi po pwedeng, gusto kong mag-work sa Japan, bayad ako kay Manpower Agency. Dapat nga, technically, for some Manpower Agencies, walang bayad talaga yan. Okay, pero hindi ko mo walang bayad is makakaalis ka basta-basta. You need to be qualified. Right? So, ang qualification lang po ng Tokutei Gino are 2 things. JLPT level and Prometric exam. You need to pass both. Kapag kulang ng isa, you cannot qualify for a Tokutei Gino. So doon papasok again si Ryugaku. We want to make sure we position you pumasa ng JLPT and position you na pumasa ka ng Prometric. Pag pumasa ka, i-endorse namin kayo sa mga manpower agencies. Our idea is to endorse you to not only one, but as much as possible, as many manpower agencies that can give you the fastest employment or deployment in Japan. Okay? Kasi yung deployment naman po papuntang Japan, we have no control over it kasi we just endorse you. We monitor you to make sure na legal ang pagpapalipad sa inyo. Then, tuloy-tuloy na po kayo pagdating sa Japan. Right? So that is the overall look of the program. Okay. Hopefully that's clear. Now, sino ang pwede mag-apply ng Tokutei Gino? So how we did in Ryugaku again is we need to clear the right people. In simplest form, anyone above 18 and at least high school graduate old curriculum can apply. Ang problema namin sa ganon, this is not again to discriminate guys, but we need to make sure kumbaga, i-secure muna natin na sa ating mga Pilipino ang programa na ito. So kapag nakapagpadala tayo ng mga dekalidad na Pilipino, mas mahahatak natin ang iba na po pwede rin mag-qualify pa. So this is our ideal applicants na po pwede po sa Tokutei Gino. Preferably K-12 graduate, but if not, old curriculum high school graduate o yung mga batch natin, 6 years elementary, 4 years high school, pwede rin naman po mag-apply pero i-review at i-analyze natin yan in terms of their goal, personality, and their qualification. Kung work experience, maganda naman. Okay? So possible po yan. We're not closing the doors, but we just need to position you properly to become successful. Hindi po pwede yung kontento na kayo tapos magreklamo pagdating doon. No, we don't want that. Then the preferred age group is 18 to 35 years old. Older applicants like me, okay, can be accepted but will also be reviewed and analyzed. It's more of personality check, to be honest with you guys. All right. Then in terms of work experience, at least 1 year work experience in either of the following fields or related. So either caregiver, there's a demand right now. I have a friend who's staying there as a caregiver, Tokotegino. Trades, marami tayo sa trades under farming, welding, auto mechanic, meat processor, iron work, etc. Hospitality for food and beverage, mga restaurant workers, waiter, housekeeping in some cases, and other fields, possible meron. Yun nga, pag nag-apply po kayo, titingnan natin, sasabihin namin sa inyo, okay, work experience mo, baka wala sa Japan. So, kung wala sa Japan for work, hindi namin kayo tatanggapin kasi wala kang continuity sayang. So, we can only accept applicants na merong continuity ng experience. Unless, kung gusto mo, habang nag-aaral ka ng Nihongo, mag-gain ka ng experience maybe in caregiving, in farming, para ma-justify natin na pwede kang pumasa sa Tokotegino. Walang problema naman yun. Okay? This is a preferred by Japan Embassy. No major surgery in the last 5 years. I don't know what exactly the major surgery. Basta anything that can hinder you performing your job. Kasi usually these are physical jobs, as you can see. So dapat medyo fit to work talaga. Tattoo is still a taboo in Japan. Okay? Ako malaki tattoo ko pero I'm not applying anyway. But kung may tattoo kayo, hanggat maaari sana no tattoo. Pero kung meron, siguro nakatago, we'll try to work it out. We'll find an employer that can accept that. But in most cases, we just have to accept that this is their culture. So no tattoo, ideally. Clean NBI record and no overstay record in any country. Okay? We will not judge you if you went abroad and you didn't fulfill your right visa purpose. It's fine as long as hindi ka na siguro nahuli, no? Kasi again, we are trying to send the right people there so we can increase the qualifications of more Filipinos so we can send more in the future. Okay? Hopefully that is clear. Don't worry guys, you can again see this pag pinost natin sa ating page. And this is the costing. Okay? Ito yung babayaran kay Ryugaku. Uulitin ko po, this is only through Ryugaku. Should you wish na kayo mismo ang mag-apply sa mga Tokotegino, pwede naman yun. But hindi ko bibigay yung network namin. Okay? Kasi you can do this on your own. You can DIY. Walang problema. Okay? You can just do your own research. But if you want the convenience, of course, we can give you the convenience. We can give you our network. Hence, you have to pay our services. So initial fee namin is 10,000 pesos lang po to secure the slot. Processing fee, pay 1 week before start of classes is 20K. And the enrollment, including the tests for N5 and N4 is 20K. Total of 50,000 po. Again, this is a study plus work program. So sa 50K, kasama na yung pag-aaral, kasama na yung i-endorse namin kayo sa Manpower Agency. Ngayon, kung maniningil sa Manpower ng any fees, labas po kami doon. We just introduce you to a legal Manpower Agency that has connections in Japan. But usually po, kapag DMW accredited, usually, ang alam ko, legally, hindi dapat sila nag-charge. Okay? So we will just guide you, we'll help negotiate with you. Kausapin namin, ma'am, sir, ba't may charge kayo? Di po ba dapat wala? So tutulungan namin kayo mag-negotiate. Kabaga kami ang magiging abogado niya. Igagayad namin kayo, okay, mag-alala. Kasi lahat naman po ng partner namin, ako Manpower Agency, are DMW accredited. So, kung may kilala kayong DMW agency daw, pwede namin kausapin, pero hanggat maaari ko, ni-endorse namin, doon na lang po tayo. Okay? Kasama rin po sa babayaran ang Prometric test fee, as mentioned, GLPT test fee, then yung support fee yan, kasama nga po, i-endorse namin kayo sa mga Manpower agencies, usually unlimited, but for the sake para mag-move siya, pag may makita tayong magandang offer, we proceed with it. Hindi pwedeng nagsha-shopping kayo kasi that will create analysis paralysis. Okay? Hopefully that's clear. Ulitin natin, hindi naman kasama yung fees kung may charge ang mga DMW agency. Review fees, hindi rin kasama kung gusto yung mag-review center muna. Linawin ko lang rin po, no, na usually kapag nag-start na kayo ng work, hindi ko na alam kung ano yung inclusion. But ang kadalasang inclusion dyan, of course, pag under ka na naman Power Agency, is free accommodation. Sometimes may meals. And then, of course, you have the salary. Yun ang standard by law legal. Imo-monitor natin yan. Again, we will serve as your mediator to make sure that the Manpower Agency provides those information for you. So as you can see, for only this amount, okay, you get a free language, free exams, then we endorse you for work, almost free work. Tapos kumikita na kayo. So bawi po siya kaagad. And usually lahat-lahat ng ito, it will happen in 5 months. Then it's possible makalipad ka ng Japan, depende sa process ng manpower yan. And the embassy, probably maximum 1 year nasa Japan na po kayo. That's maximum. Okay? There you go. But of course, we have promotion efforts right now. So we do have the early sign up until August 30. So technically, that's 2 days from now. But if you can commit to sign up later on, we can give you, I can probably extend this early sign up fee of less 3,000 pesos. So makakadiskwento kayo, ibabawas natin sa, kung ang initial is 10K, less 3K, so 7K na lang po ang initial fee natin. Then, kapag ang estudyante po ay nakatapos ng N4, okay? Kapag natapos niyo talaga yung N4, mayroon kayong certification, okay, na JLPT, babalik kami ng cashback na 5,000 pesos sa inyo. So, dapat tapusin yung program. Kasi isa ito sa mga nagiging challenge actually ng mga kaibigan kung may-ari ng Manpower, saka ng mga review center. Maraming may nagtatry mag-apply for Tokotey Gino. The problem is, tinatamad na pagdating sa dulo. Okay, that's why we are trying to qualify the right people with the right motivation kasi sayang yung opportunity. Kumbaga, may trabaho naman po guys. You can earn good money. But why is it people are not pushing the right way? Alright, that's a challenge. So again, if you finish N4, you get a cashback of 5,000 pesos. Then of course, we endorse you, you get work, win-win. Okay, so malaki pa rin po ang natipid. Right, so if you're ready to start, I think this is last 2 slides. If you're ready to start, this is our process. Okay, so again, we'll be posting this recording at our Facebook page. So hopefully you guys can watch this, and sa mga magtutuloy, sign up lang po kayo. So first step, sign an agreement. Okay, of course, bago kayo mag-sign ng agreement, make sure okay kayo sa cost. Do not sign an agreement kapag hindi kayo okay sa cost, kasi pag nag-sign kayo, we can have you legally, pwede namin kayong sabihin na, okay, nag-sign ka na, you need to pay. Huwag naman ganun kasi talo kayo. So make sure you are financially able muna na, okay, am I okay with the 50K? Wala namang show money to guys, hindi naman to student visa, work visa pa rin naman ito. So, are you okay with the 50K? O may discount pa nga, or may tutulong ba sa akin? If you're good to go, sign the agreement, pay the initial fee. Kapag umabot sa early bird, 7,000 na lang. Then you only submit resume, passport bio page, and a scanned copy of your last education documents, which is diploma or transcript of records, and or. Kasi kung hindi nakatapos, bitin ng first year college, it's okay, submit pa rin po. We need to check everything lang. Okay, the classes start September 15, 2025. We are only looking for 30 people for this batch, and expected target to be in Japan is by spring 2026. Spring 2026 is around first quarter of 2026, mga March. Ang deployment date, however, will vary pagdating kay Manpower Agency. Wala kaming control doon kasi again, hindi namin expertise ang work, but ang expertise namin is to mediate and create programs that bridges you towards success. We are very, very good with that. If you check the profile of our company, especially with the Anicon Group, we created the study, the paid internship in Bulgaria program, where we are able to send hundreds of students to Bulgaria, which is a unique European country. And recently, we just opened our paid apprenticeship to Germany program. Okay, so napakaganda programa din po noon. So we are very good in creating opportunities for anyone to go abroad via education. So in this case for Japan, which is I'm very, very biased with Japan because I'm an anime kid. Okay, and Japan is the first country I used to promote as a destination. So very, very good destination to. Looking forward na hopefully the people can sign up and join this. Again, this is the Tokotey Gino program repackaged, and we bridge the gap. Yung mga challenges na nahahanap ninyo before, si Ryuga ko nang bahala para mas malaki ang chance ninyo ma-deploy papunta sa bansa ng Nihon or Japan. Alright. So, hanggang ngayon po, may continuous pa rin naman yung demand for workers in Japan. So, once you start working po, no, pag nag-qualify kayo, it's a 5-year contract or 5-year agreement. Kanina nag-play ako ng video, it starts from 6 months to 1 year and but can be extended up to 5 years. Kaya isipin nyo yung 50K ninyo. that you'll be investing, but you get to be able to sign up and get a job in Japan for 5 years, sobrang bawing-bawi naman po. Okay? It's all about putting you in a position that you succeed to have a better future. So that's it, and that is the conclusion of our presentation. If you got questions, you can just type it down, or pag may tanong, you can just unmute yourselves. Sa mga nakikinig sa other social media accounts natin, you can message me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is 0905-527-4254. And my email is management@ryugakumarketing.com. You can ask anything. Pwede yung tanongin, legit ba to? Walang problema. We can provide all the documents, but eventually you just need to pull the trigger and start working on your application. Okay? Any question, guys, so far? Okay. Then after this again, after this, diba, magsasave yung recording. Where will it be?
Yes po.
My email or your email?
We'll see po. Kung sa email niyo papasok or sa akin. Kasi hindi po ako yung nag-create ng ano eh. Pero since recorded siya, for
Okay.
na mag-ano to.
Sige. So I'll just upload it on YouTube, then I'll share it on our page. Okay? So si Yan kasi yung ating marketing ng Ryugaku, head marketing natin siya. So baka makita mo rin niya if ever po-post ko na to. Baka may magtanong include sa page natin.
Yes,
Okay?
sir. Okay.
All right. Okay, so it's time is 6:36. May question po ba ba nandito natin? Okay. Reggie and June Mark. Reggie, kachat kita sa sa Facebook So I think I ask you kapag may tanong ka regarding dun sa agreement, yung contract na ino-offer sa yung work, send mo sa akin, tignan natin para alam ko kung anong visa ka pwedeng mag-qualify. Kasi ang work visa sa Japan, there are two things, either highly professional ka or skilled work. So titignan natin po. Okay, pero wag ka mag-alala, Reggie, wala ka muna babayaran kasi i-assess ko muna kung kaya kitang tulungan in that aspect. Pag meron, we will create a separate price on that. Anyway, paki-off na yung recording. We're good with this. Then I'm gonna upload this later on. Thank you, Okay.